So, more stuff. Let's go over the change. I'll make these faster. I have these weird rants, but I think if I want to do YouTube Shorts, I need to keep things snappy. So, UI is a bit different. We have these cards. Probably show them already. There is some progress thing for debug related stuff. It's not really related to the game, but we finally have a Steam integration, so achievements and cloud saves, and you can even recover from a cloud save, which is very useful. I haven't seen a game that allows you to do that directly. The settings are a bit revamped, and now you can actually see or hear the sounds from the sliders, which is something I was thinking about doing for a long time. This hub is different, and there is this dialogue system. I kind of want to have some kind of story, and the cheapest way to do it is how Undertale and Deltarune does it. So basically like this. And there's this interesting thing about the names. So if we reset all progression, so all the names are unlocked or locked, then they will start as question marks, and the characters will introduce themselves. And all characters will have a title and a name. And if they say the name of a character, it will be unlocked. Like that. Cool. I think it's cool. I haven't seen a game that does this. So, this is my plan on making the game more approachable, having some kind of plot. I'm not going too deep. I'm not gonna do a Deltarune or Undertale level of plot. But I want something, because if you're gonna have a character-driven game, you need like how do you relate to them? You need something. So I'm definitely going all in on expressive characters. I want them to like do some poses and shit, and and the dialogue system you saw, it's hard to tell. But this would be their head. So you would have some kind of expression. Maybe they even talk. Their mouth moves up and down. Who knows? But yeah, we're getting somewhere. We're definitely... This is like the tutorial. So I haven't really implemented this that much, but... we're getting somewhere. And we leveled up, so this is another thing I just added. This is like a mix of Mugenics and something from Hades. So when you level up, well, I guess Hades doesn't have, not Hades, Slay the Spire. Slay the Spire doesn't have these things called levels, but they do have cards. So I kind of took the leveling from Eugenics and mixed it with the card system. So you can upgrade your cards. You can upgrade your card, or you can get a new thing. In this case, both of these are the same. And I think this is a bug. I think I already have Heavy Strike, so I don't know what's gonna happen if I have it twice. I added so much in such a short time. The inventory system. So based on the items you have currently equipped, it will affect what abilities you have. So if you have nothing equipped, you're gonna use a pummel and a punch. So pummel is a two-handed unarmed hit, and punch is just one-handed. If you have your sword, you can't do pummel, but you can do punch with your other hand. So that makes sense. And if you have your shield, you can't do punch anymore, but now you can use the shield. So I kind of like this automatic ability system. Like, I don't. The only thing that's probably gonna happen is that you can choose which left click, right click, or what key does what ability. Having 8 is a lot. I have to make it so that you can do all the skills from a controller. So having 8 is tricky. I can kind of do it with the D-pad and maybe the face buttons, but 8 is, I might reduce it to 6. 4 is a bit too low because weapons have their own attacks, and the character might have some kind of ability, like maybe they have like something that gives them strength, some kind of weird thing. So yeah, this is an improvement definitely, and the backpack is it's there. You can upgrade this in the store. So there, I will have 3 tiers of backpack for now: the small, medium, and large, and you'll have up to 6 slots. I'll probably implement a way to sell items and throw them away as well, because maybe you do wanna. If you don't have a backpack, you have 0 slots, so you're kind of forced to hold on to your weapons. But that does make sense. Like you should be able to throw away your items and just use the abilities that you have on your character, which is like these are these small things that like add up. And let's see, how strong is that? I need to add proper hit sound effects and particle effects and animations, but I currently don't have those, so I have to be careful. This goes on for a really long time, but I'll probably shorten this. The Act 0 is supposed to be like the tutorial showing you how to play the game, etc. So I'll probably have like a shop, an event, one of each type, and that should be it. So that's it for now. I don't think I added anything else. I probably skipped a few things, but I will come back to those things later once I refine on them. I haven't tested local co-op yet. I have one extra controller. No, I actually have two. I have two extra controllers. So I could do up to 3 players. But doing that alone is a bit difficult. So I'll probably balance, make the single player as fun as I can, and then as an afterthought, I will expand on this stuff. But yeah, I think that's it for now. Very nice.